our celebration. So, praktakan natin isang isa.
The Northern Luzon, Central Luzon, Southern Luzon, East Visayas, Northern Mindanao, Southern Mindanao.
If you can remember those sweet climbs for many years, 2014 was the first time we hit the 1B. So I remember it vividly. It's during the time of Sir Noel that it's the first time also that climbs hit the first billion mark. So 2022, that was the second billion. And this time, palakpakan natin lahat, we breached the 3 billion mark. That's how exciting it is. So let us celebrate. This is for all of us. And congratulations sa mga awardees. Ang hindi awardees, prepare for this year.
Early in climbs, galing talaga ako as an ordinary agent. Sa sales naman talaga of all the perseverance, sacrifices, initiatives, meron na talagang winner. This will inspire us